Ladies and gents, welcome back to The Random. It's your host, Smallwood Worldwide. We're back again with another video, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the mobile filmmaker cage by Moment. Shop Moment for all your technology needs. These folks do a fantastic job. So, as you can see, we have this packaging here. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let's unbox it. Well done with the packaging. Just in case you want to get a look at that all the way around. Gotta love it. Now let's open this up. Look at that. Beautiful aluminum. Here's the MagSafe piece. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Yeah, there we go. It's very secure. So you didn't have to worry about that falling out. Take a look at that. It's gorgeous. Look at this beautiful aluminum. Look at the branding. As you can see, you can probably add a light here, microphone here, has spaces in here to run cables through as well. Folks, it really doesn't get much better than this. You could pick this up on the Moment website. But most importantly, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the iPhone 14 Pro Max. There we are. MagSafe. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. As advertised. Nice and steady, nice and safe. I cannot wait to shoot with this. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think. Have you shopped any of the Moment products before? Do you yourself have this Moment filmmaker cage? And if so, are you enjoying it? And we look forward to going in detail about the usage of this on another video here at The Random. Peace.